Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Kraken app. First, download the Kraken app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and choose to create a new account. You'll need to provide your email address and create a strong password. After submitting, check your email for a verification link to confirm your registration and move to the next step. Next, you'll need to complete identity verification to unlock all features. This usually involves providing some personal details, such as your full name, date of birth, and address. You will also be asked to upload a clear photo of a valid government-issued identification document. This step is crucial for security and compliance, ensuring a safe trading environment for everyone. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Kraken offers various deposit methods, including bank transfers and cryptocurrency deposits. Simply select your preferred option within the app and follow the clear on-screen instructions. Be sure to check for any minimum deposit requirements or associated fees before initiating your transfer, so you can start trading smoothly. With funds in your account, you're ready to make your first trade. Browse the wide selection of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs available. When you're ready, place your order directly through the app's intuitive interface. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication. This extra layer of protection helps keep your assets safe and gives you peace of mind while you trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.